the day I was born. My mama prayed, my daddy swore, but I kept kicking down every locked door. I was born with a spark my daddy couldn't kill, courage in my veins running uphill, a wildfire heart that never stays still. I was born with a spark my daddy couldn't kill. How sharp through the canyon's teeth, I carved my name in stone underneath. Scars like maps of where I've been. Every loss I fight, I'd fight again. I was born with a spark my daddy couldn't kill, courage in my veins running uphill, a wildfire heart that never stays still. I was born